Gather round the campfire, friends. Look at the stars and the low flames. Tonight, I will tell you about Sara, a brave fighter in an orange hoodie. She fights snow monsters and finds a family. Lean in close, feel the warmth. Her story begins. Picture a dark, icy tavern. Firelight flickers on snow walls. Two mean hunters grab a tiny, cute blue creature. It's shaking, big eyes full of fun. Heavy boots echo. Sara steps from shadows. Dark cape flows. Orange armor hoodie glows like Mandalorian sunset. Helmet shines. "Let him go," she whispers. Hunter laughs, charges. Whoosh! Sara twists, thud, into a fire pit. Sparks fly. Second blasts, zip, misses. Sara smiles, my turn. Door slam, slash. She hits his chest. Crash, he falls. The blue creature bites the glove, squeaks happily. Sara kneels, wraps cape around it. "Fire in your heart," it chirps. Sara nods. "Hurry, we fly." The tavern smokes behind. The ship waits outside. Adventure begins for hunter and rescued friend. Snow swirls like campfire smoke, thick and wild. Sara drags her tiny blue friend toward the silver ship, old, scratched, but loyal as family. Suddenly, rumble. Oh, the ground splits wide open. A massive ice worm explodes upward. Teeth gleam like deadly icicles, jaws snapping hungry. "Door, now!" the blue creature squeaks, eyes huge with fun panic, little hands waving. Worm lunges, crunch, metal bites metal. Ship shakes like it's breaking apart. Sara yanks him inside just in time, orange hoodie whipping in the wind. Worm slams the hull. Boom! Engines scream alive with fire. Thrusters roar. They lift off into the stormy sky. Iceworm snaps at the empty snow below, roaring angry, disappearing in white clouds. Safe among the stars, Sara exhales slowly, helmet fogging slightly. "Close one, little friend." The blue creature chirps happily, bouncing on the front seat beside her, big eyes sparkling, safe in the cockpit glow. Adventure calls them forward. As they fly through the stormy sky, the little creature notices a shimmer, a floating, swirling portal glowing bright blue. Sara leans forward, eyes wide. "What is this?" she whispers. The engines hum as if curious too. With a playful nudge, the child activates it. Light envelops them, and the ship tilts. Gravity feels strange. In a blink, they are pulled through. They land softly on a world that seems alive. Floating rivers shimmer in neon blues and greens. Glowing plants hover midair, and gentle creatures drift above the ground. The air itself hums with magic. The child runs forward, laughing as tiny sparks flicker around them. Sara follows, heart racing with exhilaration. Every step brings new wonders. Rocks that glow when touched. Flowers that hum. Rivers that float. Hours pass in discovery. They run, jump, and experiment. Each moment feels like a reward, like the thrill of something impossible finally real. Sara watches the child learn to interact with the environment. One spark becomes a small burst of wind, another makes the floating plants sway. They are learning. growing, playing. Sara herself feels alive. The orange hoodie bright against the glowing blue world. She jumps from a floating rock to another, laughing softly. The sense of freedom, of control over danger and discovery fills her with warmth. The world is strange, but safe. Each discovery gives her a spark of joy, a dopamine rush, small victories building up into exhilaration. As the sun of this strange world dips behind floating mountains, the portal begins to pulse again. The child glances back. "Time to go," it says. Sara nods. They step through together, landing back aboard the ship. The familiar hum of engines, the wind across the desert dunes. It feels comforting after the chaos of discovery. Outside, the Mandalorian clan awaits. Their village glows warmly in the night. The adventure in the blue world ends, but the lessons and joy remain, fueling Sara and the child for whatever comes next. Sara guides the ship toward the settlement. Dust rises under the engines. Children peek out from tents. Mandalorian warriors stand tall, fire reflecting off their armor. The child waves. Sara smiles, heart swelling with a mix of relief and pride. They are home, but not the same as before. Every obstacle they faced in the blue world, every new discovery made them stronger. Sara steps forward, hood glowing softly in the firelight. "Orn again," she whispers, remembering the forge. The clan greets them. Their journey continues. But now they have a family, a place, and the courage to face what comes next.